Shamata. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today we will know that our focus should not only be doing good things but doing the right thing in the very situation. Once upon a time, there was a lovely village full of greenery and pretty homes. A community of villagers lived together with their family and relatives. And on a certain day, seeing the beauty of the village, a giant venomous snake came to the village and made it its resident. This venomous snake gradually begins to terrorize the village. It mercilessly bites everyone in its way, whether or not the snake is disturbed. The villagers felt terrified just to go out of their home, and many died not only from the bite of the venomous snake but also from hunger. One day, a wise sage was walking through the village. The villagers saw him and requested the sage to help them get rid of the serpent. Knowing the case, the wise sage agreed to rescue the villagers. Now the sage and the villagers went in search of the poisonous snake. As they looked for the snake, suddenly the sound of hiss echoed from a certain side. Listening to this alarming warning, the villagers fled for their lives, but the sage was strong on the ground. The snake became puzzled and started to glare at the saint for not being as scared as the others. In a lovely voice, the saint called the snake. "Come to me, you majestic creature." The snake, who had never been regarded with such affection, was captivated by the wisdom of the saint. So he went obediently to the priest, sat quietly, coiling at the foot of the priest. The saint continued speaking in a lovely word. "Here you are such a magnificent creature, yet why are you harming others? Avoid enjoying this evil, or you will be struck back. There is no point in killing these poor villagers since you have enough to eat in the jungle." The snake bowed to the priest, swearing never to hurt anybody, and the saint went back to his region. A few days after, the saint came to the same village to see the situation of the village and the people. The settlers have lived a comfortable life as before. As the saint walked, he was surprised to see that the venomous snake tangling on the tree and was hurt. The saint affectionately addressed the serpent. "Who did this to you, oh lovely creature?" In a tender sound, the snake replied, "I accepted your order and thus stopped charging the villagers around. And in exchange, I was physically abused. Several of them beat me with bricks, some with sticks, and some hurled me mercilessly to the ground." The saint chuckled and replied, "You did as I asked you to do, still you haven't fulfilled it completely. I instructed you not to bite them, but I never asked you to avoid hissing. Your vicious hiss is enough to alarm everyone." This moment the snake truly gasped. The saint and started to hiss, ensuring that the villagers never threatened the snake again. After that, both the snake and the villagers lived peacefully in the same wonderful village. Children, be generous to all. However, never let someone abuse you for your love. Never purposely injure someone or treat someone as we do not want to be treated. Also, don't hesitate to warn people so that you can adhere to your principles. Children, whatever to inform someone in advance of an impending or possible danger, problem, or other unpleasant situation, giving someone cautionary advice about their actions or conduct must come from a place of compassion, love, or protection for the persons. Children, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Katha Shravanam for more interesting stories. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, and take care.